hazardous ang smoking. Sa use naman, hindi kita basta-basta magsigrilyo na hindi-hindiin. You must be aware of that, ng mga friends ko mga smokers. Within 10 meters from a business, from a government establishment, from a school, hindi ka ka-smoke, may violation na din, may penalty. First, fine is 500, and then kasaka na sa second offense. If you're a government employee, second offense, suspension, I think dismissal na yun. Kamal kapindi. And then, ang sigarilyo naman, that's as far as smoking is concerned. Ang selling naman, within 100 meters, nobody is allowed to sell. 100 meters from the municipio, from the police department, from the RHU, from school, si Padre ba si? Sa school mo, school. May school da. Government building. Hindi ka baligya 100 meters away. So kung smoker ka, kung police ka, no? Kita ka outside sa 10 meters from the police department. Ito ka mag-smoke. Pero kay kato 10 meters na, mayroon man school dire mo. So idog ka naman to sa RHU. Kaya may RHU. So practically, ambala no smoking guaya. And then we are mandated to put up a smoking lounge. It should be away from the main building. Hindi pwede sa sulod. In fact, even ang kung sa skuang kagit, even ang wala siyang smoke, no? A group of persons ara sa isang kwarto, wala siyang smoke, wala siyang baho. And then, nagsunod ka lang ng smoke, wala man kasigarilyo, pero gulpi nagbaho, wala. Pwede sa pailan sang buha nga second hand smoke. Yan ang iyang exhale. May baho ng smoke. So, I was happy na naka-intra mo to. Ang facilitators from awardin na sila sa sanitarium. So I think our municipal mayor has been invited, and kita ko to sa, I came here yesterday, kita ko to sa table ni Lisa, may mga executive orders si mayor to that effect, kita ko. So it's now a full implementation support sa mayor's office sa driving na. So, let's be aware of that, mga smokers, no? And in fact, even mga terminals, ginabawal mag-smoke. Part of the terminal is part of the location within 10 meters man, wala sing. So, dito lang awareness. And that's also in connection with our, I think, participation sa Red Orchid project sa RSU. So, I think the Mr. Mayor has more on that. So, in that regard, thank you for listening.